Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to change the text-to-speech feature on TikTok. Head to the website uberduck.ai. Type the text you want to use into the speech to synthesize box. Select a voice. Download it as an MP3 file. Upload the MP3 file to any video editing app you have and align it with the video. Save it, and upload the video to TikTok.
Take our lead.
Look under Accessibility, Text-to-Speech Output. Ensure you have Google Text-to-Speech selected and the correct language. Note that speaking email won't use Samsung or other vendor voices, so you need to enable the Google Voices as your default TTS engine. Tap the cog next to Google TTS engine.
Make your mark, take our lead.
TikTok. How to turn off captions. Step 1. Tap Me in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Under the Content and Activity section, tap Accessibility. Step 4. Tap the toggle to the right of Always Show Captions to turn captions off.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Best TikTok posting times. Monday, 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 10 p.m. Tuesday, 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 9 a.m. Wednesday, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 p.m. Thursday, 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 7 p.m. Friday, 5 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m. Saturday, 11 a.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Sunday, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 4 p.m.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.